All right, folks, here it comes. Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. Final destination of the train is San Jose near down station. This is it, y'all. Here she comes. I think they might be having a holding train problem again due to the switching problem. Looks like this train is going to be on a holding waiting for a second, see if things are cleared up on the line. Or he's just going slow. It looks like it's 2003 leading off of the F59 PHI on 529. These trains are going slowly due to a PTC problem or something, or a switching problem. Looks like that train is going to stop in the middle of the crossing. CAD car is 8311 Mount Palomar, so this train is stopped in the middle of the crossing. We'll be right back after these commercial break to see what's the problem is. Bye. All right, folks, we are back with 529, a 2003 F59 PHI leading off. And the CAD car is 8311 Mount Palomar, with that said. Man, this is not a good Monday here, folks. Not a good Monday to start out with the track problem. So anyway, that train is off to San Jose Diridon station. Coming up next behind me, we got the newer Moffett coming up. Another freight train is coming behind me. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.